Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, been a few weeks, but today I got a special treat. It's the apple pie. Man, y'all may want to stay tuned and try this out because it's gonna be delicious. It's definitely gonna be delicious, but let's get right on into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the flour into the food processor. Flour. More flour. So you can tell we're making a lot of dough. Oh Lord. Okay. Then we're gonna get the sugar. Put it right on up in there. And the salt, kosher salt. Then we're gonna put our top on. Turn on the food processor. Give it a few pulses. Now we are gonna put the butter up in here. Come on, butter. Clean hands, folks. Clean hands. Let's go knead our dough. Okay, I went ahead and kneaded my dough. Now I'm about to wrap it in plastic wrap and just knead it 2-3 times. Wrap it in plastic wrap, put it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes or more, or the day before, or 48 hours. It doesn't matter, for as long as you need it, or for whenever you make your little pie. Okay guys, as y'all can see, I went ahead and cut up my apples and tossed it with lemon juice. So now I'm gonna take my sugar and throw it down now and toss the apples with the sugar also. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my skillet on. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut our skillet on medium-high heat. Boom, add our butter. Let that melt. Let that get nice and happy. Okay, so now that that's nice and melted, we're gonna go ahead and pour our apples that was tossed with the lemon juice and sugar right on up in now. Let that get to getting all sexy and nice. Gonna wait till that gets to simmering. That's just my oven, of course. I already got it set to 350. It's just telling me it's warmed up and ready to go. Now that we got that simmering, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Shh, let's listen. Hopefully you can, but we're gonna go ahead and pop the top. Cut it down to like a medium low. And let that go ahead and simmer for about 7-8 minutes. And then we'll be ready for the next step. Hey. Okay, our apples are still going. So while that's still going, I'm gonna take some cornstarch and sprinkle it right on in here. Mix it up real good. Okay, we're gonna cover it back up. Continue to break down and get happy. Okay, they are ready. Go ahead and take the top off. Cut the fire off. And scratch that. I let it go about 9-10 minutes. So let's go ahead and pour it in the strainer. Strain this juice off. And now we're gonna take the apples, pour them in the strainer so we can strain some of this juice off. Well, most of all this juice off. The juice we got off the apples, we're gonna pour it right back up in the pan. Okay, now that we got this back in here, we're gonna cut it on a medium high. We want it to start bubbling, folks. Getting thick, 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 okay? Keep your eye on it, please, because keep it stirring because you don't want it to burn. My recommendation, use non-stick, please. So if you forget like a second too long, non-stick won't hold it against you. That, cut it off. Okay, now we're gonna take the juice that we cooked down. I already transferred the apples to a bowl, and we are going to pour it back over the apples. Over the apples, and then we're gonna get put some cinnamon, of course, and some nutmeg. We're gonna mix that together real good until every little piece of apple is coated. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna let this cool while we get the pie crust ready. And when I get my pie crust ready, I'll be back to fill the pie. Okay, as y'all can see, I got my crust ready, homemade crust. And now that this done cooled a little bit, well, cool down period, I'm gonna go ahead and get it into my pie crust. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna try to press this down up in here. It's nice and flat. So I'm gonna get my crust on here, and then we gonna pop it in the oven. All right. Okay, as y'all can see, I went ahead and got my little pie crust on the top. I just did it the old-fashioned way. Real quick, simple, easy. Y'all can do it any way y'all want to. However y'all want your topping to look, that's cool, that's fine. But this is how I did mine today. I would probably do it a little different if it was a dinner party or anything. But no, it's just for us. So I'm going to do it this way. And besides, I like the crust. I like as much as possible. But I'm going to go ahead and take my milk and egg bath that I whipped together and brush it over the top. Get that nice brown, beautiful crust that we all be looking for. Okay. We're gonna take some cinnamon sugar. You can either make it yourself or buy it at the store. Went ahead and made it myself, because what's the point of buying it at the store when I have everything I need here? So yeah, we're gonna dust this good old cinnamon sugar on the top, baby. As y'all can tell, I like a lot of cinnamon sugar. Anyway. After we done with that, we're gonna go ahead, pop this on a cookie sheet, get it in the oven at 350, bake for about 45-50 minutes. I went ahead and tinted the pie, put the foil around the sides, and now I'm gonna get it in the oven. All right, y'all, here is the pie straight out the oven. That's how it looks. Alright, y'all, we back and we are ready to taste. Let's go ahead and get this underway. All these apples. I got a lot of flavor. Anyway, guys, go ahead and try this. You will not be disappointed, I promise. But like always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please hit that bell for those post notifications. Now what I'm about to do is go get me some vanilla ice cream for my pie. But until next time, guys, peace.